Alright, we're going to do some salmon patties part 2 from some of y'all in the comments. So we're going to try some different kind of salmon patties. Get your crackers. Crush them up. I'm going to still add the egg. And we're going to add some chopped onions right here. I chopped up a small amount. A little more crackers. The onions. I'm going to add a little panko seasoned breadcrumbs. A tablespoon or two. And some Old Bay seasoning. Just a little bit. It might be a half a teaspoon. Some pepper. Now, mix it up. Makes a good lunch. You can even have these for dinner. Oh, I think I did this just right.
I've never had them with onions.
I haven't either. See, someone on my comments on my other salmon patties said use some onions, you know. That's a good idea because I like onions.
Me too.
Yeah. Olive oil in there. It's for your good cholesterol. Extra virgin olive oil. I know, why use 2 different oils? Just to help keep the burning down. Alright. We're going to be ready to cook. These are smelling good already. Hope y'all had a happy 4th of July. Yeah. Barbecue. Starting to look good. Wow, it smells good. Yeah, it's looking good. We're getting there. One more time, let them brown real good. one that falls apart. That spatula's kind of big for pancakes. A little bit more pepper. Let's try it. Wow. Them are good. Real good. You gotta try these. Try these. All right, y'all. I'll see you next time. And we'll do something pioneery or something. I was thinking of asparagus soup. You're gonna like it. Hey, coming up pretty soon. All right. See you later.